today we are discussing about how to do shampoo and when to do shampoo. Question was, is daily shampooing suitable or not? Yes, it is suitable. It is not only suitable, it is recommended, because once you wear long hair, you should clean them up. Otherwise, secretions, they are coming every day inside the from inside the scalp to the scalp, and once you don't clean them, they keep gathering over there, and what would happen to that? Layers on layers and layers. So daily shampooing is the best recommendation from the doctors like myself as well. And what kind of shampoos you will be using? I would recommend you natural shampoos. It may be herbal, it may be baby shampoo, it may be baby shampoo with the vitamins. So I personally use baby shampoo with the vitamins. So recommended is a natural shampoo, because you should not be using medicated shampoos every time, because I wanted to say that antifungal shampoos, multiple shampoos are available in the market, anti-dandruff shampoos, but you cannot use them every day. Natural is natural. Thank you very much.